Hello students, welcome to West Bengal English Medium Guide. Today I am going to give you the exercise question answers from chapter 12 Electricity and Circuits class 6 West Bengal board. The subject is science. Okay, so let's start with the objectives. At first we have the objectives from the chapter. Number 1, choose the correct answer. Number 8, this uses chemicals to produce an electric current. Answer is number 2, dry cell. Number B, this material is used to make the filament of an electric bulb. Answer is number 3, tungsten. Number C, in this circuit an electric cell can generate electric current. Answer is number 1, closed. Number D, this does not conduct electricity. Answer is number 4, plastic spoon. Number E, this material does not allow electricity to pass through it. Answer is number 3, insulator. Next, true or false? Number A dry cell converts electrical energy into chemical energy. False. Number B, the part of the bulb that gives light is made of a thin aluminum wire. Answer is false. Number C, human body is a good conductor of electricity. True. Number D, thermocol is an insulator of electricity. True. Number E, an insulator allows electricity to pass through it easily. False. Number 3, fill in the blanks. Number A, anything that produces an electric current is called a source of electric current. Number B, an electric cell is a single electrical energy source that uses chemical reactions to produce an electric current. Number C, a solar cell is a device which converts sunlight into electrical energy. Number D, a dry cell is an electric cell that produces a small amount of electricity by using the chemicals stored inside it. Number 4, answer in one word. Number A, a path in which an electric current flows. Electric circuit. Number B, a combination of two or more cells. Battery. Number C, the glass covering of a bulb. Globe. Number D, a device used for opening and closing an electric circuit. Electric switch. Number E, an unbroken path that allows the electric current to flow. Closed circuits. Now we have some question answers. Let's solve. Number 1, A, define sources of electric current, giving two examples. Electric energy is energy produced by the movement of certain particles. This flow of particles is called electric current. Anything that produces an electric current is, this will be an, not and. An electric current is called a source of electric current. The source of electric current are devices that generate electricity. Example, cell, battery, generator, etc. Number B, infer that a dry cell is an easy to carry source of electricity. A dry cell is a convenient portable source of electricity because it contains a paste like electrolyte instead of a liquid, which minimizes the risk of leakage and allow it to be used in any orientation. This design makes dry cell lightweight, compact and safe for everyday items like flashlights, remote controls and other small electronic devices, making them easy to carry and use in various applications. Number C, explain what an electric switch is. An electric switch is a device used for closing and opening an electric circuit. If it is on position, it closes the circuit and electric current flows through it easily. However, if it is in off position, it opens the circuit and electric cannot flow through it. A switch is also known as key. Number D, list any two uses each of conductors and insulators. Materials that allow electric current to pass through them easily are called good conductors of electricity. Two uses of conductors are: number one, good conductors like copper are used to make cooling coils of air conditioners and refrigerators. Number two, good conductors are used to make the base of electric irons, solar heating pipes, and boilers used in powerhouses and factories. Two uses of insulator: prevent electricity leakage between transmission lines and towers, ensure safe operation by isolating electrical parts. Number E. List any four safety measures we should take when using electricity. Some safety measures we should take when using electricity are: number one, we should wear rubber soled footwear when operating electrical appliances. Number two, we should not insert anything metallic into an electric socket. Number three, we should not use electrical appliances with wet hands. Number four, we should not pull out the plug from a socket when the switch is on. Next, number two, answer the following in detail. Number A, describe the parts and working of a dry cell. First point, the outermost layer is a zinc container that is wrapped all around, leaving the bottom plate exposed. Next, inside the zinc container is a layer of a paste of ammonium chloride. The next layer is porous container containing powdered manganese dioxide, through which a chemical reaction can take place between ammonium chloride paste and powdered manganese dioxide. The innermost part is a rod that has a metal cap. The rod is usually made of carbon and is dipped into the manganese dioxide layer. The tip of the metal cap and the base of the zinc container are called the positive and negative terminals of the dry cell respectively. When they are connected to a small electric bulb through a metal wire, chemical reactions take place inside the cell and produce an electric current that flows through the wire that makes the bulb glow. When the chemicals in the electric cell are used up, it stops producing electricity. The electric cell then has to be replaced with a new one. Number B. Compare and contrast the following. Number one, primary and secondary cell. Number one, under primary cells, the primary cell cannot be recharged after use. Number one, under secondary cell, a secondary cell can be easily recharged after use. Number two, here it is safely discarded after use. Number two, there it can be charged and used again. Number three, there are no fluids in the cells, hence it is also called as dry cells. Number three, there these are made up of wet cells, flooded and liquid cells with different composition. Number four, its initial cost is cheap. Number four, there its initial cost is high. Number five, examples of primary cells: wristwatches, wall clocks, torchlights, TV, and AC remote controls. Example of secondary cells: car batteries, mobile batteries, and solar cells. Conductors and insulators. Number one, a conductor allows current to flow easily through it. Number one, their insulator do not allow current to flow through it. Number two, electric charge exists on the surface of conductor. Electric charges are absent in insulator. Number three, conductors do not store energy when kept in a magnetic field. Insulators store energy when kept in a magnetic field. Number four, the resistance of a conductor is very low. The resistance of an insulator is very high. Number three, closed circuit and open circuit. Number one, a circuit which provides unbroken and continuous path for the current to flow is called a closed circuit. Number one, there a circuit that is not continuous and current cannot flow through it is called an open circuit. Number two, the closed circuit runs from one terminal of the source that means cell, through the device, that means bulb, back to the other terminal of the source in a loop. Number two, the open circuit has a break in the continuous circuit which can occur either when the cell has been used up, a break in the wire, or if the bulb is fused. Number C. Describe briefly the parts of an electric bulb. An electric bulb consists of a glass covering called the globe. This is generally pear-shaped because it distributes light better than better that better than other shapes. The globe is generally filled with a gas called argon. Inside the globe, there is a thin coiled metal wire called filament. It is usually made of tungsten. A pair of the thin wire called support wires support the filament and prevent it from contacting the globe when electricity is flowing. These wires called contact wires extend from the filament. One of these wires connects to the base and the another to the foot. They complete the electric circuit when the bulb is placed in a holder. The base and the foots are parts of the bulb that are fitted to the bulb holder. Number two, describe the electric circuit. A path in which the electric current flows is called an electric circuit. Conditions required for an electric current to flow are: number one, an electric current source such as cell, battery, or an electric power point. Number two, a wire usually made of metal that allows the current to flow easily. Number three, a continuous circuit that runs from one terminal to the source through the device, that means bulb, back to the other terminal of the source in a loop. Number four, a device like a bulb that uses electricity. In an electric circuit, the electric current flows from the positive terminal to the negative terminal of the electric cell. Number E, explain the working of an electric torch in a closed and open circuit. An electric torch or torchlight is a portable source of electric light. It consists of the following parts: bulb, a small bulb that lights up when the switch is on; reflector, a carved mirror that reflects the light of the bulb; electric cells. These are sources of electricity. This could be two or more cells depending on the size of the torchlight. Slide switch. It is a switch connected to a small metal plate on the inside which slides on to complete the circuit and off to make it an open circuit. Metal spring. It is found at the base of the torch that connects to the negative terminal of the cell closest to it. So these are the exercise question answers from this chapter. Electricity and circuit. Hope you all understood. If you have any doubts, then please confirm and tell me in the comment box. Okay, so that's all for today's use. Soon with a new video. Till then, take care and bye.